Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Open the eye of my heart. I want to see your eye. I want to see your eye. Now it is a prayer unto God. Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Please open the eyes of my heart. I want to see your eye. I want to see your eye. Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Please open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see your eye lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Oh, how your power and love is wishing only, only, only to see you. We want to see you. Now we've come to see Jesus tonight. We want to see you. We want to see you. To see you. Raise it unto God this evening. Come on. Oh, how your power and love and we say, to see you shining in the light. Oh, how's your power?